Reisha has some arichos on this, just a little bit down below, and I didn't find it particularly simple or easy. Reading the black print, he's quoting the Zohar, and he says, let me see if I got line on there. Yeah, he said Rebbe Yafashah. He says the hey ilah hey da vira. It's the hey that has to do with the vira. Hey ispatach ba'achra, which is the secret of Abba. Abba is the yud that comes out of the hay. So he said, and he says inkiv betrin nukvin, and it marks up making openings in the two nukvin, nikveh chotem, and then he's minveh who sewed hevel the das, the vira. This is the hevel. It's telling us that there is a hevel in this das. So it's something less substantive, but it has some substance, I guess. It's hevel. Hayotzech min metzach. Hevel is also the gematria of the milui of sag. So something there, sag. Hayotzech min metzach derek nikveh chotem, and it goes out through the openings of the chotem. And this is just what I want to do, is read this part one more time. Let me see if I can get down close where it's easier to see. And it says here, number Kaf Dalet. There we are. He said, Rebbe Yafashah looked over there, V'od Kasa Be'etz Chaim, Sham, V'zel L'shono. L'chein Chutzruk L'hislavish Hadash Shalo, the Reish Lo Isyada. That is, what das are we talking about now? The das is part of the Reish Lo Isyada. It's mislavish into the zeranpin, so the neshama, and it's penimi to zeranpin. What is that? The das. This, of course. So this avira is on top of this, top of the mocha stimol. Ki hu sod hadas, because it is that this is the sod of das. So the thing is about up above, he said it's the sod of the letter hey. Ki hu sod das shenizgala basham. You and Sham v'zecha b'shamar. This is what if in came between nukvin. Ki kevin shesham. That is what b'va'avira. Hu hadas atik yamin. This is the das of Atik. It's part of the Reisha lo Isyada. V'hu metzach the Erich Anpin. And where does it manifest itself? It manifests itself in the metzach of Erich Anpin. So, which is a very high exposed place on the forehead. The lechein inkim between nukvin, and so therefore, I don't know how the therefore works, but it makes an opening of the two nostrils. The chutma to Erich Anpin, or the chutma to the Erich Anpin. Shechein ha hevel, here again back to the hevel adas, which once again it is a reference to sag. The Yotze Derek Nikveh Chotem, and it winds up coming out there ad kan. So where is this das? I don't know what he means by keneged. Neged means opposite the mesach. I mean, it sounds like it's on the outside of it. I don't know what that means exactly, but it corresponds at least at that level. The itra, the gevura, the das, and then in the das itself has two parts. It has an itra, the chesed, and the da, and of gevura, and that part of it, which is the itra, the gevura. He says yotze memuach hadas. It comes out from this muach hadas shebemetzach. He's a shebemetzach ad nikveh chotem, and it keeps going until it reaches. It comes out of it, flows in some way. It says it's a vapor of somehow. It's a hevel, and it flows into the chotem. And we're really close to being out of time. So I have this start number Kaf Hey. Kaf Hey says Rebbe Yafashah, so we'll do it again, God willing, tomorrow. So he says Rebbe Yafashah, look at the Shah, the Shanu Sham. V'gam dasha shor shamuchem Hanimshochin la'aba v'ima l'tzorek zer anpen, hu aviradachya. It's all in this aviradachya. The viradachya somehow, now I didn't quite get it clearly, what it has to do with das, but is the das of the metzach, and that's what he wanted to say in the last one, then it flows into the nose. Ki hu bechinas das da'atik, because it's the aspect of das da'atik. Kamosha Kasser Rabbeinu Zecha Bepirish Be'etz Chaim Amad Uman. He says, what Perik Yod? If it's out the Shana V'hine Reisha is called Eda Am Shachos, who Midas Elyon Da'atik Yomem Anikro Reisha Lo Isyada. Asher Hadas Hu Gon Who's Bein Golda Mocha de Erich Anpen. It's hidden in between those two places. V'hu b'chinas haku avira. This is the avira the Yosef al Kruma the Mocha de Erich Anpen Ad Kan. So all of this is manifest. I don't know what it means. If it means it's the same thing, because I'm trying to think where it would be. He said v'lochalon sham. They're on the cause of od v'sal l'sham ki ein kli zel b'yisod. This kli is not in yisod. What? Levad, only in the yisod there. Elohim ha-mochin mamash b'kol kumas abba v'ima, abba v'chabina, b'kol kumas zer anpin, that runs through the whole column of zer anpin, b'kol kumas nukva, all the same thing, ad kan, yun sham. So v'zeh she'amba v'inkin between nukvin, ki kevin shesham, b'avira, this avira we're talking about, hu hadas da'atik yamim, b'metzach derek anpen. It's two different places, or somehow the vira corresponds to that. In ki between nukvin the chut mecha derek anpen shkeina hevel, because this hevel we're talking about adas yotze derek nikve ahoitim v'amer od v'ish tekach b'tikudim. That I don't know what that means. Ki b'menem adas the vira nimshachim so the mochim. So that's where the mochim, which are the tikudim. Shehem tikunim the Erich Anpen, which are the good of the Abba V'ima, v'le Zer Anpen Ad Kan. So a little view inside there, and that's the shir today.